Hello again. Sorry, it's been a little while since my last video, but just a quick little bit of information. Something happened about, I think seven or 8 days ago. A relatively new stock that I bought called Homeserve has been acquired by Brookfield Corporation. And I do have, I think, Brookfield Renewable Partners, but I didn't have any Brookfield Corporation shares. But Homeserve has been acquired by Brookfield Corporation, and that means that my position was automatically sold. So before that happened, my realized profit was 1738.2 and it's now 1738.37, so I've made a whopping 17 cent. And I don't think I'd received a dividend from them, but if I do, it means that the 17 cent in gains, massive as they are, that will also be supplemented with whatever dividends I've received. So I essentially got back all the money that I put in. So not the end of the world, but that is the 12th position in the last 2 or 3 years that has been dissolved since I've started this portfolio. So I'll show you it in a couple of the pies because it means I can now withdraw the money. I have 14.96 in here. This is the UK Dividend Aristocrats. These are some of the strongest companies in the UK for dividends, but it's been delisted. HSVI has been delisted from the stock exchanges and therefore removed from the pie. Please adjust the targets back to 100%. So I have to remove it from here, which has already been done, and I have to compensate for it going missing by getting all of these back up to 100%. And then also in the A to Z pies, so in the H pie, I will have to remove it from there. I think I'll give British American Tobacco the extra %. And I can now withdraw the money that was in there, put it into something else. And just down here, there's 1996. So same thing again here. Now, at least this is nice and even. Everything in here gets 5% of any money that I put in. And I can withdraw 1996. So 12 positions disappearing is not too bad, and 6 of those happened when Trading 212 decided that they're not going to deal with publicly traded partnerships anymore. So 6 of them were automatically sold. That was in a recent video. So it's not that 12 companies have gone completely bankrupt since I've started. Half of those were removed based on Trading 212's preferences. I think it was for tax reasons they didn't want to do it. So now I will go down through the smallest positions, and I have 34.92 to put in. So I'm just going to go down through these and put, I think, yeah, I'll put €2 into everything. Actually, I'm not going to put it into any ETFs because I can invest into all of them at the same time. So I'm just going to leave them. the last one, I will put €5 into something that's down quite a bit. There we go. Landmark Bancorp. Winner. So, not the end of the world. One position is gone, but I got back a little bit more than I put in, and I can now spread that money over the smaller positions. But that's really it. Nothing too exciting has happened. We have a total of €405 in dividends, and I've deposited €10,100 so far. And if I have a quick look through my orders, I, as usual, haven't sold anything. I've just been buying small pieces of different things. There's the HSV, that's Homeserve. I had 2.55 shares. But yeah, nothing strange, to be honest. Doesn't really seem like the market is tanking the way everybody expects it to, but it's also not doing extremely well. But to be honest, with a portfolio this size, it is pretty hard to tell like how it's doing overall, because it's so spread out over different countries and currencies and different sectors, and it's very hard to get a good gauge of how it's doing. But other than that, nothing strange. That's pretty much it.